This is a folding pocket knife. It's made with Aces 8 steel. The whole unit is steel, handle and all. This steel is very hard, very durable, retains its edge, and it's resistant to rust and the elements. It is a compact pocket knife. I have small hands. This is probably just a little too small for me. There's really no grip on the handle. It is very sharp. The opening is smooth, although you have to be really careful because it's tiny to flip it, but it does flip out. Drop point blade. And the clip is reversible. And it does have a pretty neat box, so it is giftable.